Hello everybody. In this video we will show you how to load up a program to run on our CNC mill. In the last video I showed you how to set up the mill, to be able to turn it on, to put it in reset, and then also to zero out your part. And that is if all of our tools have been already set in our ATC, which is right here. If you need to be setting your own tools to be able to put into the ATC, I have a video made for that. Go check that one out to be able to use our tool setter to be able to load up our ATC. So once our part is already in there, what we want to do is we want to close these doors. There is a lock up here, a little sensor, so we want to make sure that nobody's in there when we're running our machine. When we come over here to our screen, we have these different tabs over here. We have our main, our file, offsets, we have our conversational, our ATC. Those are the big ones that we'll have to worry about in machining. So our main window, this is where what we need to do or what we have for zeroing out, as well as if you want to run your part, you have to be on that main. If we go to file, this is where we load up our files and programs in here. This is, we have USB ports up here so that you can put in a flash drive and it'll load up your files right there. I've got our fidget spinner soft jaws and everything on there, but if you have your file, your G-code saved on a flash drive, it'll just drop right in there. All right. Then over here, these are the files or the G-code that's saved on our computer, or on the actual machine, and we have all those there. We go to our offsets. If you are doing your own tool setting, this is where you will have all of your tool offsets set. If the tools are already loaded in there for you, don't touch any of the numbers in here. But if you are going to be setting your own tool lengths, this is where you would do that. Conversational, this is if you want to be doing any programming or any machining without using CAD. We can do simple tool paths here. And then finally, we have our ATC to see which tools we have loaded up in our machine. And I already have everything preset for this one. So we will go to our file. For this one, I want to do a fidget spinner op1, so I'm going to select that one. I'm going to select load G-code. And then if it loads but it doesn't go over to our main window right away, you can hit the main button right there, and it'll bring you to the main. On your main, you can see what we're going to be machining out. You can rotate around by using 2 fingers to move it around. You can double check that your X, Y, and Z axes are done there properly. All right, and you can also kind of see your measurements and your depth of cut and everything like that as well. To be able to start this up, what we want to do is you can press our cycle start down here and our part will start machining. One last thing, if you were zeroing out and you still had tool 99 in there, so if we look at my spindle, I don't have tool 99 in there, but when I press cycle start, it says remove tool 99 from the spindle and press cycle start. You want to double check that there is no tool 99, which is our hammer, in there. So what we'll do then is we just press cycle start one more time. Our ATC will rotate to be able to find the tool that we need, and it'll start machining.